Back at it again with another day of Vlogmas.
Day 2.
Not day
Cleaning.
2. Oh well, day like 27 of cleaning.
Like, we have not left this apartment in weeks.
I know, we really need to do something else. But I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I tried to get done in the kitchen. Insert clip right here. Alright, so far so good. This is not the end result, obviously, but I basically just tried to organize it as much as possible. For example, the second one of this is in the dishwasher right now, so we're going to put Eric's coffee in there. And then this side is also kind of like not too crazy organized, but it does the trick. This, I am liking how it turned out. I'm really hoping on finding something to like organize all of these things, you know? I feel like I've seen something like that, like a dispenser to organize them all together, but I've been trying to find it on Amazon and no luck as of yet. The one up here I'm really proud of, even though it kind of looks the same, but I decluttered a lot, and having this little Lazy Susan is going to be really come in handy. Another thing I'm so glad we did was organize this little situation. This tray has basically a bunch of different essentials that we use normally but don't have space for it. Some potatoes there, to-go containers. But after spending the entire day cleaning and organizing the kitchen, I am going to do my makeup because we're going to run some errands and have a late night date night situation. Right, I feel like I've been in the kitchen the entire day. We definitely got a lot done today as well. Oh, little by little, the apartment is finally feeling like it's coming together. But I'm going to now get ready and show you guys like my everyday makeup routine and basically the products that I've been loving and using for a super quick, easy makeup on the go. All right, so first things first, I like to moisturize my face, especially in the winter. And I am the type that likes like 2-in-1 type of products. So this one is from Bobbi Brown. It's their vitamin enriched face base. I've mentioned this before. It is amazing and honestly my favorite moisturizer, especially in the winter because it's super hydrating. So, and it doubles up as a primer, but I'm going to just apply this on my face. This also feels so refreshing on the skin. And you know, doubles up as a hand moisturizer. All right, for the foundation that I've been loving and using for like the past 3 to 4, I think since July, so maybe more months. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I use Tahoe Medium Deep too. I'll link it down below for you, everything that I'm going to be using. But this has been my favorite foundation for the last like 6 months. The only thing is, I feel like this is definitely my summer shade. And I don't have another one, but I tried to make it work still, even though I'm not as tan anymore. All right, so now for my brows. I personally love using pomades over pencils, and this one is from Maybelline in dark brown, black brown. So I'm just using an angle brush from Benefit. My personal favorite pomade ever is the Cabral from Benefit, and I recently heard that they discontinued it, as if 2020 wasn't bad enough. I just want to say, if I look weird on camera, I don't know what settings I have my camera on, but it's making me look orange. And I don't look like that right now. Okay, all right. After that, I like to clean up my brows with the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Warm Sand. And I take the concealer brush and basically clean off and shape my brows. All right, for concealer, I've been loving and using the Cover FX Power Play Concealer for like the past almost 2 years. That's Eric drilling. But this has been my favorite concealer. It's so creamy, pigmented, and it doesn't crease. And the shade that I use is honestly whatever I have left, which is the G Medium 3. With a sponge, I'm just going to blend this out. I also like to take a little bit and put it on my nose. To bronze up my face, I've been using this one from Too Faced, which is the Born This Way Multi-Use Complexion Powder in Butterscotch. I also use like an angle brush. This is the best bronzing and contouring brush in my opinion. It's from Zoeva. It's really dirty, but it's my favorite. I like to contour my nose a little bit with it and use the same contouring brush and apply some on my lids. For highlight, this has been a forever favorite of mine. It's the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess highlight. I don't know if this is limited edition. Hopefully it's not, but this is, in my opinion, the best highlight. So if you ever see me with a nice glow, this is it, because it's all I wear. And then I also like to take a small brush and apply some in the inner corners. All right, we're almost done here. Mascara, this is my favorite. It's the NARS Extreme or Climax Extreme mascara. I've been using this for like the past, I don't know, however long this has been out, I think 3 months. And it is all I've been using for mascara. I haven't changed it. I normally always used to mix like 2 different mascaras to get the volume that I wanted, but this does it all in one, literally. Alright, and now for setting spray, I like the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm almost done. And we are technically done. I have to put my lipstick on, but I'm first going to change and then show you guys the lipstick I'm going to use. Alright, so I'm all ready to go. Basically just wearing all black and my waterproof boots. Like I mentioned, I was going to share the lipstick and lip liner that I'm using. This is technically what I wear every single day, as you can tell. This is almost done. But it's the Estee Lauder liquid lipstick in Au Naturale. I also like Naked, the shade Naked in the same lipstick. And then for lip liner, I'm using Nighthawk in the 24-hour Urban Decay Glide On Lip Pencil. These are my favorite lip liners ever. But yeah, we're now going to head out and run some errands and grab some dinner. Alright, honestly, I feel like I'm the worst vlogger when it comes to vlogging inside of the store, especially now with masks.
You should get a body cam. Like, you know how cops have body cams?
No.
They're just on all the time?
No. Or like the forehead one that you just walk around and like,
that's
it's like the GoPro.
You would really wear that in public. But the body cam, you wouldn't notice.
But we're now going to our dinner date to our favorite restaurant in Westchester. It's the Italian Lago restaurant. Really good. Highly recommend. Finally home. It's been such a long day. I was going to end the vlog without my glasses, but I honestly took my contacts off and I could not see anything. So glasses it is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I can't believe that we're just days away from Christmas. where is time going? I feel like 2020 either went by really quickly or it went by really slow for most of us. Like, it's just a mixture of both. But I do have to say I'm very glad that it's over and that we can start 2021 with positive vibes and hopefully a much better year, because we all need it. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and see you tomorrow.